Do you want to earn 1 lakh rupees every month? Hey, no. You don't have to be a software engineer to earn this amount. You just need to have 1 acre of agriculture land. Yes, you heard it right. Just 1 acre of agriculture land can give you 1 lakh rupees every month. The new sensational course we have released on Financial Freedom app will teach you practically how to earn 1 lakh rupees every month from just 1 acre of agriculture land. We have developed this course in partnership with 2 successful farmers who are currently making more than a lakh rupee per month just from 1 acre of agriculture land. One of them used to be a software engineer and he was running his own software firm in the US, and he came back to India, started this new initiative to help farmers increase their income, and today he is successful. He is behind the success of thousands of farmers who have adopted this practice and who are able to make more than a lakh rupee every month from just 1 acre of land. He will teach you practically, step by step, how to make rupees 1 lakh every month from just 1 acre of agricultural land. Download Financial Freedom app now and learn from these 2 mentors how to make 1 lakh rupees every month from just 1 acre of agricultural land.